Flower. What a summer in France.
Yeah, I even turn on the heating.
Yeah. It's so raining everywhere. My gosh. This is the summer now. Climate change. Oh. Bridge of
Leo.
Wow, this is the way that we always going, yeah, other side.
Yeah.
Union Bridge, the famous bridge. This is the first time you drive here.
Yeah, this way is the first time.
That's going there, yeah?
Yeah.
You always drive in the other side, so.
But this approach is more beautiful than from the south.
Yeah, because that's why you pay the temple, the toll. Wow, so big. Far away. Kita nyo naman yung bubok. Ang cloudy. Oh. Yan na. Yan na tayo, yan na. Yan. Wow. It's only in the middle. I thought it's like in Rotterdam also. Like that. But this is only in the middle, guys.
In the middle.
Oh, wow. Engineer explained this one. Why only in the middle?
Oh. Engineering masterpiece.
So high up. High to Venetian. Grabe. Ibang level. Ganda. It's like a swan.
Yeah. I feel like kind of flying.
And so, how long is bridge? 8,000, I think.
Yeah, about 1,000 plus for sure.
1,000 M.
Ik denk wel langer hoor. Ik denk zo'n bijna 2 kilometer.
Grabe, ganda. Okay.